Good day everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to buy shares using InvestNaija apps. Now after logging to your InvestNaija application, then come to invest. Then after analyzing the company you are buying share with, then we have a lot of companies in which you can buy their shares, as you can see then. So what this is not the purpose of this video. The purpose of this video is to show you how to buy shares. For example, now you want to invest, you want to buy shares in MTN. As you can see, I have 78 shares in MTN, which the current price of the MTN share, you can see as of today open as 492. Now if I want to buy more, then you click buy. Now it's very important you pay attention to this place. Now there are two ways in which you can place your order. If you want to buy at the current market, you choose market, buy at official market price. But if there is specific price that you want to buy this stock with, like buy the share with, like maybe you see that the price will be 400, it will drop to 400, then you set the limit, then you change the price 400, then you come here. How long do you want your order to be executed? Is it a day? Just maybe today, if I place this order, are you saying for a day, or are you saying that till the order should keep looking at the market till it cancel itself, good till cancel, or just one day? If you choose this one, just a day, 24 hours, between 10 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. the market will be, if it didn't reach this price, then the order will be cancelled by itself. But if you choose this one, then the order will keep looking till it cancel itself. If this price did not happen, then the order will be cancelled. So but mostly I do use this one till good for the day. Just from, you can see, if you can read this message very well, the trade is only valid for one trading day. You can see from 10 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. Monday to Friday, excluding public holidays. So this is how this work. Now how many shares you want to buy? Then you place, I want to buy 100 shares. Then you see the money there. It will cost me 40,000 naira at this particular price. Then you click next, then you can see the information here. Remember, it's just on limit. I want to buy this on this price, that is 400. But if you want to buy at current price, this is not what to do. Let me place the order. You see, insufficient fund. I don't have. Even you have money there, then it will buy. Now coming to the current price, then the market will matches your order with the person that is also want to sell at this particular. Then you may get the share at this particular price. It may be higher, it may be lower, it may be exactly, it depending how or which price they matches your order with. That is, you can see clear difference 47,200. You click next, then click buy. Simple and very easy to buy shares in this InvestNaija application. So in our next video, we are going to show how to sell. It's also the same procedure, but we'll do it so that other we know how to do it. Thank you very much. If you are coming to our channel for the first time, hit the subscribe button, follow us so that you get more updates. Thank you.